in order to do this, we can use a VLOOKUP. What is the lookup value here? So you'll see we've actually got a header up here. We're going to use the month. Where must it look for that? So you'll see we've set up with start month and end month. So start month's the correct one to use. I'm going to just highlight all of those, all three of those, and put my dollar signs on. I want to pull through the third column. So we're going to pull through the third column. And I'm going to say true. When I say OK, you'll see it pulls through the 275. Let's go all the way to month 240. So what you'll see is it's now pulled through, and it knows that for the first 13 months it needs 275. So you'll see up to there it's 275, then it goes to 795. The benefit of this is if for whatever reason this is shortened, so we can now say let's do this in 4 months, my table updates, and you'll notice that immediately my financial model updates. So I don't have to go in and manually work out how much is in each month.